Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLS. You have your own distinctive style that needs to be complemented by the vehicle you drive. This incredible CLS is the perfect match. The interior has a personal touch, with each of the 4 seats accessible by its own door and fully divided by a convenient center console. It wouldn't be a Mercedes-Benz without scores of comfort and luxury features, which is why this coupe has dual-zone climate control, heated leather seats with memory, and a sunroof. You also enjoy everyday convenience with Bluetooth, navigation, and Embrace, seamlessly connecting this car to your smartphone and providing a suite of options and apps. This CLS is a reflection of you and your passion. Make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.